Hi, Kathleen. I thought it would be easier if I just recorded my troubleshooting. I actually recorded myself earlier, but it took like 6 minutes and I thought that was annoying. So we're going to try it again. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic, by the way. Okay, so I had to do some poking around. In the gradebook, there was between these two boxes right here, Unit Assessment Plan Part A, with no grades. And I'm thinking, why can't I see them? I went in the grades, I could see that they were graded. I went to Allison Barrett, I looked at her Part A, I hit update to update it. That's one thing I did. After I did that, I came back and I said, oh, there's a second Part A in the gradebook. So there were two sections of the same assignment. One was an assignment and one was a Dropbox with grades attached. So for some reason it was in there twice. One of them got set up with the rubric and gradebook attached and one didn't. All right, so you still can't see the points. You can see Allison's because I went in and hit update. So if you go in, go to Angela, update, you'll see Angela's grade here. Now let me show you also, just while we're in here. So I went to Dropbox and I looked at the assignment. I went to edit folder. And this is the screen that looks different this semester. I never saw it look like this until this semester. So I have come across this a couple of times. When I first looked at this did not say in grades. It said not in grades or something like that, or ungraded or something. So I just clicked this arrow. It said add to grades, and I clicked add to grades. And then this changed. So all of this was correct, but this little section here did not say in grades before. So I changed that. I saved it. I went back to the gradebook, and that's when I was discovering that there were two sections of that. So that was kind of how I figured that out. Just while we're in here, let's just look at Part B and see if it's the same way. Edit folder. So here, look at this. This is our Part B pre-assessment. 25 points, not in grades. So I'm going to click Add to Grades. So when you grade Part B and hit Publish, it should show up in the gradebook. I'm going to hit Save just to make sure. Okay. And we may have to do that for all of these. Go in and make sure that they're in grades. Like I said, that's something new this semester that changed. So I did come in here and eliminate that second version of Part A. I clicked on it. I went to delete, and I actually deleted the second version so you can't see it. So all you have to do now is actually go to your Dropbox. I've already done Allison, so you just need to go in and update. I'm going to hit update, and I wonder, we might be able to mass update them. Let me just check. If I select them all, guess not. So you'll go in one at a time, update them, and then when you go in back into the grades again, we should see both Allison and was it Angela? We'll just double check. We're going to scroll for whatever reason. It's all the way down here. There's Allison, there's Angela. So just go in, update each one, and you should be able to see them. Let me know if that makes sense. I'll see if I can drag that over in the here if you'd like to watch. Let's see. Wonder if I can drag that up. It may be that these are down here at the bottom because we added them to the grade book. I have a feeling none of these are attached to the grade book, and that's why those are at the bottom. Okay, all right, I'm going to stop the recording. Hope that helped.